StoryNest.
Beatrice the Bumblebee, with her fuzzy black and yellow stripes and delicate translucent wings, zipped through the meadow, her tiny antennae twitching with purpose. Today was an important day, a day to bring joy back to the drooping, colorless flowers that lined Sunny Slope. They had been vibrant just days ago, a kaleidoscope of reds, blues, and yellows, but now they hung their heads, their petals a dull, lifeless gray. Beatrice carried a small, intricately woven basket filled with shimmering golden pollen. This was no ordinary pollen. It was imbued with the magic of the sun, collected from the rarest blossoms at the highest peak of Mount Bloom. Legend had it that this pollen could restore life and color to anything that had lost its vibrancy. She approached the first group of flowers, a cluster of what were once vibrant red poppies. Their delicate petals now drooped sadly, their once fiery hue replaced by a monotonous gray. Beatrice hovered gently above them, her tiny legs brushing against their lifeless surfaces. With a delicate flick of her wrist, she sprinkled a fine dusting of the golden pollen onto the gray petals. The pollen shimmered as it landed, and a faint, warm glow enveloped the flowers. Beatrice watched with anticipation, her large, multifaceted eyes wide. Slowly, almost imperceptibly at first, a faint blush of red began to creep back into the petals. It started at the base, near the stem, and spread outwards like a watercolor painting coming to life. The poppies seemed to sigh contentedly, their heads lifting ever so slightly. Beatrice buzzed with delight as the transformation continued. The dull gray faded completely, replaced by a rich, vibrant scarlet that seemed to glow in the gentle sunlight filtering through the leaves. The poppies, once lifeless, now stood tall and proud, their delicate petals unfurling to greet the day.